In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal merchant ID. Your merchant ID is a unique identifier for your PayPal business account. It's what some platforms use to connect to your PayPal without exposing your email address, and you'll often need it for integrations, buttons, or verification. It's different from your PayPal email and usually appears as a long string of letters and numbers. Start by opening your browser and going to paypal.com. Then sign in to the account you use for your business. Make sure you're on the correct profile if you manage more than one. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page for the gear icon, which opens your settings. Click that to enter your account settings area. If you're on mobile, the layout may be condensed. Using a desktop or laptop makes this easier to follow. Inside Settings, locate the section labeled Account. This is where PayPal stores core information about your profile. Click into Account, and then scroll down through the details. You're looking for a line that specifically shows Merchant ID or Merchant Account ID. It will appear as a long alphanumeric code. That's the one you need. When you find it, you can copy it just like any other text. Highlight it and use your standard copy command. Some layouts also provide a small copy icon next to the ID. Keep this ID somewhere secure, like a password manager or a private notes app, especially if you'll reuse it for multiple tools or platforms. While a merchant ID isn't as sensitive as a password, it's still good practice not to post it publicly unless a trusted service asks for it. A couple of helpful tips as you do this. If you don't see a merchant ID in your settings, there's a good chance your account is set up as a personal account rather than a business account, since the merchant ID is a business feature. In that case, you may need to review your account type in PayPal's settings. Also, PayPal's interface can look slightly different depending on your region or updates they roll out. If the wording varies a bit, stick to the account section and continue scrolling. The merchant ID field is usually grouped with your business profile details. That's all you need to locate your PayPal merchant ID. Once you've copied it, you're ready to paste it into whatever integration or setup is asking for it. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, keep this video handy the next time you need to access your merchant ID quickly.